Hey guys, welcome back to Sweet Mouth Kitchen. If this is your first time viewing, please hit that subscribe button, watch the full video, and go and check out some of our other content. To our returning viewers, we thank you guys so much for showing us the support. We're outside this morning, guys, and we're going to be cooking some Pop Chow. You guys might call it Bok Choy or Pak Choi. Let me show you what we got on our table. Let's go! Alright guys, so this is what we have on our table. Some fresh veggies or food to cook and some dry seasoning over here. We're going to be going to the garden to cut the bok choy, but before we do that, let us light up our fire and then we'll go to the garden. All right guys, so while our fire is doing its thing, we're going to go over to the garden and cut this pop chow. Lot of stuff planted here. We have some callaloo and some pepper. I'm gonna take this nice escallion here. Now I'm gonna cut it too deep. Yes guys, so here it is, fresh from the garden this morning. Fresh from the garden, going straight into our pot. Leave these here. This is our chopped up pop chow, and we're ready to start cooking. It is looking lovely, smelling lovely, guys. Give it a nice little stir over here. Wow, guys, look at those colors. Very nice and beautiful. All right, we're gonna cover it back and let it go on steam and get this food ready. Wash off these, bring them inside, and cook them real quick. We'll be right back. While our food pot is going on the inside, let's take a look. Wow, guys, this is ready. This is done. I'm gonna take it off and just set it aside here on these bricks so it can keep warm for us. That is looking lovely, guys. Smelling so good right now. Tasting delicious, guys. Alright, guys, this is my plate. Let's dive in. Yes, guys, fresh from the backyard. Tastes so good, guys. Very fresh, very nice. Didn't go on the fridge. Straight from the backyard garden to our pot and to our stomachs, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.